This is a video about assembling the Everfit basketball system, model BAS-HOOP-305-BK. Now this comes with a manual with instructions, but the instructions are practically useless. So I'm going to show you a little bit more information to help you to put it together. So this system has 3 bars that go together. The instructions tell you how to put the bars in there, but they don't tell you which bar is which. So I will tell you how to know which is which. First we have the top bar. It is the same thickness all the way down from top to bottom, whereas the other ones are thinner at one end, so they can plug into other parts. But the top bar is not like that. It also should have a cap in it already. If not, you have to put the cap in yourself. And the very other distinction is that there's holes all the way down. That's for adjusting the height of your basketball system. The other 2 bars, the middle and the bottom, are very similar except for one difference. The bottom bar, the lower bar, has a hole right in the middle, and that's so it can be supported by these bars that come with the system. So these bars are going to plug into here and help hold up the bottom bar. Another piece that you should be aware about is this one, and this is going to go on the back of the backboard, and it's going to hold up the top bar. So what you'll do is find the height that you want and put in the bolts at that height. Alright, so here's the rim system. You see the bolts coming through the back. And on the other side, if we go around to the front where the rim is, and this is upside down, you see right below the tongue of the rim, we have these springs with the 110 millimeter bolts. Alright, so you have to put the bottom pole into the base. The way you do that is you pull out the axle, and then you can put the bottom pole right in there, and then push the axle back through the bottom pole at the hole at the bottom. Once you do that, then you have to put on the braces. I've got one of them on at the bottom already, and it goes to the middle of the bottom pole and it goes to the other end here. You just have to screw in the nut and bolt, which goes in one side and out the other side. So connecting the board bracket to the top pole and to the backboard down here seems quite tricky to do. I had trouble making the parts fit. So what I had to do was first put in this top bolt and the top pole and the board bracket here, and then try to force those screws in down on the backboard over here. And that was really hard to do because it just seemed like these board brackets were a little bit too long, but I managed to get it to work with enough effort and forcing it in. Here is our Everfit basketball system assembled.